Quick question. Have you ever felt like tearing your hair out all those unfair negative reviews on Google? Yeah, me too. But guess what? Today, we're gonna turn those tables. Did you know that Google isn't the wild, wild west? They actually have guidelines for reviews. And guess what? We can use those guidelines to fight back. Let's dismantle those review guidelines piece by piece and show you how to keep your business rep as shiny as a new penny. First off-topic reviews. I mean, come on. If your business sells cakes and a review is about UFO sightings, isn't that exactly helpful? No. Google will toss out those reviews like yesterday's news. And if you let them know, they'll be on it. Moving to spam. Fake reviews, pushing hot new mixtapes, bots that say, great service at a funeral home when you're a pizzeria. Yeah, this gotta go too. Conflict of interest? This one's juicy. Review from a rival cafe, may or may be an ex-employee with a grudge. It's a big no-no. Google's not about letting the competition play dirty. And ooh, those profanity Google reviews. It's like a cool parent who still enforces the rules. Swear words, risky talk, and shady dealings. They'll scrub those reviews clean. Bullying and harassing. So no, this is no joke, phones. Anyone who directly attacks someone personally, that just won't fly on Google. Google's got your back, making sure that nobody's using these reviews as a bullying pulpit. Same thing goes for discrimination and hate speech. It's all about the love and respect here. Any review that crosses the line and disrespects someone's identity, they're out. Google stands for equality, and so should our businesses. Last but not least, I want to cover personal information. Your review section is not a spy novel. No personal information being leaked. And please, if your review spills the tea on someone's private digits, Google wipe them clean. Are you feeling powered yet? You should be. It's time to stand up and request a removal of any reviews that cross the lines to protect your business's reputation like a boss. If your thumbs are not itching for more insights on managing your reputation, helping your online presence, smash that follow button. Let's keep the community strong, informed, and thriving together.